Laethanta Speisialta a hain.
Mí anar, an tríú lá fihid, lá náisiúnta na peanireachta. Mí fiara, an 10 lá, lá náisiúnta na scána báistí. Mí an bhárta, an 10 lá náisiúnta na seanrudaí. Mí eibreán, an 7 lá fihid, lá náisiúnta na scéalaíochta. Mí na bealtaine, an 10 lá náisiúnta glan de theomra codalta. Mí an bheithimh, an 6 lá náisiúnta na múnteoirí.
Ceistena, ceist, céin dáta é. Freagra, an dáta ná. Ceiste hain, céin dáta é lá náisiúnta na peanireachta. Ceiste dó, céin dáta é lá náisiúnta na scáhanna báistí. Ceiste trí, céin dáta é lá náisiúnta na seanrudaí. Ceiste cathair, céin dáta é lá náisiúnta na múntóirí.
Today's piece is all about special days. So in the first column we've got Miana na Bliana, that's the month of the year. Then we've got the data, the date, and then in the third column we've got the name of the day. So in Mianar, which is January, the 23rd of January, we've got Lá Náisiúnta na Peanireachta, National Day of Handwriting or Penmanship. Mi Fiara, in February the 10th, we've got the National Day of the Umbrella. In Mi Anvarta, in the month of March, the 2nd of March, we've got Lá Náisiúnta na Seanrudaí, the National Day of Old Things. In April, Mi Abran, we've got the National Day of Storytelling. In Mi na Bealtaine, in May, we've got the National Day of Clean Your Room. And in June, we've got National Day of Teachers. So to answer these questions, the question starts off with Céin dáta é. What date is the National Day of Handwriting? And you answer the question with on data ná. So the date is, so we'll go up here, what day is handwriting? On data ná, on tríú lá is fiche de mi anar, the 23rd of January. And that's how you answer those questions.